Alright, so if you've got numbers or tables inside a PDF and you need them in Excel, yeah, copying everything manually is painful. But with Smallpdf, you can convert PDF to Excel in just a few clicks for free. So in 2026, let's go step by step and do it the smart way. First, open your browser and go to the Smallpdf website. You'll find all PDF conversion tools in one place. Now click on PDF to Excel. This tool is designed to convert tables and data into spreadsheet format. Next, upload your PDF file. Drag and drop it or choose it from your device. You may see options like Basic or OCR mode. If your PDF is scanned, OCR helps extract text and tables properly. Now click Convert and wait a few seconds. Smallpdf will process your file and extract data into Excel format. Once it's done, download your Excel file. You'll now have editable rows and columns. Open the file in Microsoft Excel and check your data. Make small adjustments if needed. Sometimes spacing or columns may need adjustment. Just resize or clean up the sheet quickly. So yeah, that's how to convert PDF to Excel using Smallpdf for free in 2026. Quick, accurate, and perfect for working with data.